They all laughed at Christopher Columbus when he said the world was round. They all laughed at Edison recorded sound. They all laughed at Wilbur and his brother when he said the man could fly. They told Marconi wireless was a phony. Well, it's